Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Narnia knot. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, it's my left side. It's going to be at the belt line. Come over here, put a dimple in here. Bring this over to the center. Going to come around like this. Going to come over like this right here. We are going to leave it folded in half like this. But then I'm going to open up this right here. The best I can. There we have that. So then we're going to be under here like this. Going to come over. Do a loop around like that, then we're going to come down like so. So we have this triple layer look right here. And I'm going to spread this out and I'm going to come through here like this. Then tuck it through here. There you have the Narnia. So again, all your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless.